Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, very good. Now, I gave some information about the Africa continent previous classes. Now we are going to discussing next points. Now, next subtopics. So, what is the subtopics of the Africa continent? Regions with the heavy rainfall. And next is central and western climate of Africa continent. And regions with moderate and scanty rainfall of the Africa continent. So next, people of Africa. So these are the main points of the Africa continent. See here, temperature zone, and every student first you should write running notes and note down the important points from the board. And next, maintain neatly neat handwriting. And next, this is the important points next we are going to discussing here. That is, I said one thing, and tropical, that is the temperature zone. Temperature zones. See here, equatorial region, the region which is between the 23.5 degrees north and south side. So, and next, above the Tropic of Cancer and north of this Tropic of Cancer and south of the Tropic of Capricorn, that area, and between the 66.5 degrees and 23.5 degrees north, that place is a temperature zone. So this place is a temperature zone, and this place also temperature zone, and between the middle zone is tropical zone, hot zone, torrid zone. So why it is called the very hot zone, torrid zone, tropical zone? Because that is this place is receiving the sun rays from the sun, and here the sun rays falls vertically on these areas. So because this area is receiving the more temperature, the place which place is receiving the more temperature, that area having the low pressures. Understanding? So here equatorial area is receiving the more temperature, and this place also having the low pressure area. So because of this area receiving high rainfall or heavy rainfall. Understanding? So very good. See here, equator. What is the equator? 0 degrees latitude is called latitude. Latitude means a horizontal line. What is latitude? Horizontal line. Horizontal means, so this is the horizontal lines. Horizontal line. So which is draw on the horizontally on the earth or globe. Okay. See here, equatorial area receiving the more temperature. So because it has this place having the low pressure, and this place is receiving the more rainfall. So because, and here also, and next central and western, what is the position of the central western Africa continent? Warm climate, central and western climate, warm climate. So here regions with the, here the moderate and scanty rain, moderate rainfall also is there here, moderate and climatic conditions. Moderate climatic conditions means very less rainfall, receiving this place very less rainfall. Understanding? See here, next one is very limited rainfall and a less scanty rainfall also receiving in this place areas. So because it is called that, and regions with the moderate climatic conditions. And the next one is the tall grass. And you know very well about the equatorial region. Equatorial region, that's which place is receiving the more temperature. Here this receiving the more rainfall, this place, and here tall grass are grown in the equatorial regions. These are very height, nearly 6-7 feet heights. The elephants also, elephant grass it is called. Next tall grasses, and here another place is savanna wild animals also located in the Africa continent. Savanna grasslands, and which are located in the southeast part. Savanna grasslands. Okay, so here elephant grasslands also is there animals. wild animals. Wild, you know very well wild animals. Which animals are called? That's lion, tigers, and like that. Very wild and cruel animals also available here. And thorny bushes, and which is very bushy, and trees also located here. And a short grass, some areas grown in the short grasses also. Grass. Okay. So this is the that is regions with the heavy rainfall, which places are receiving the Africa continent. So here this is the that places. Okay, are you understanding? So here receiving that, and here one more important here, the people who are living in the Africa continent, and who are living in the Africa continent, the people of, and who are living in the Africa continent, different people are living in the Africa continent. Nearly 53 states are there, not only one or two states. India, how many states? India, 28 states. How many union territories? 8 union territories. So like that, Africa continent also having the 53 states. So here these areas are divided and regions wise also. Andhra Pradesh you can take, the state of Andhra Pradesh. Telangana, it is people here who are living in Andhra Pradesh, they are able to speak Telugu language, but they are here these Andhra Pradesh is divided two parts. Before Andhra Pradesh, it is combined with the Tamil Nadu, but it is 1990s, it was divided 1953, that year it was divided two parts, that is the Tamil region, Andhra region. Again 2014 and 2nd June, it was divided the Tamil Nadu and that is Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So people are Telugu, the who and which language they are speaking? Telugu language only. But if you are going to the Tamil Nadu, the people who are living in the Tamil Nadu, they spoke, there is a Tamil. Karnataka people, Kannada. Okay, so like that, North in Gujarat people and who are living in the Gujarati, like that 28 states. If you are going to the Nagaland, English. So like that here, the 28 states having the different kinds of the languages. Understanding like that? And a different lifestyle they had. North India also having the different lifestyle. So like that here also, in Africa continent also, the people living in the totally Africa continent, 23 states are there, and these people are having the different lifestyle, different languages. Okay, different languages, different habits also. Come to comparing with the India. So if you are going to the North India, they have quite different opposite of the South Indian people. Okay. So here their food habit is different, dress style also different, lifestyle also different, habits also different, language also different, and regions also different, climatic conditions also different, and crops also different, crops also grown in the, not a same crops grown in the North India and South India. So some crops are same, but the different kinds of the crops also grown here. At the same time here these different soils also located. So here so much difference. So like that India, and like in Africa also, in the North India, if you are observing North Africa and South Africa, the totally covered by the sand areas. Because of North Africa, if you are observing the North Africa, see totally this North Africa covered the sand, desert area, the desert area, and the South Kalahari desert. In Africa, two important deserts are, one is Sahara desert, second one is Kalahari desert. Okay, these are covered by the sand. So because not suitable for the cultivation, not suitable these areas for the harvesting land, we are not getting the good crops from these areas. But middle area, middle of Africa, not like that. They are given, they had the good fertility land. But here observe the Nile river pass through on the Egypt. But Nile river area having the fertility land, fertile land, quality land. We are getting the good crops. But not South and North Africa, not like that. Okay, so like India also. See here, and next these also coastal areas. Coastal areas are also having the different climatic conditions and different languages, different people and different habits also is there. So here next and small tribes also living in the Africa continent, very small tribal people and savanna grasslands and middle of the Africa, and some areas are bushy, that is the here the thorn bushes. So like that some areas having the good forest area. So these forests, some of the tribal, small tribal people also living in that area. Just we are going to comparing with India. And in Andhra Pradesh, Jangareddy tribal people also living in that Jangareddy. Okay. So like that Nalamala forest and some coastal areas, different people also living. So in Africa continent also like that, different people living in the Africa continent and a small tribal people also living in the Africa continent. The main occupation of the tribal people is the hunting and gathering the food. Hunting and gathering and animal husbandry also. Okay, and they cultivated land also. They are cutting trees. So these are they are doing in the forest areas, especially small tribal people. And some of the areas, South Africa and some of the Nigeria and some of the areas are very well developed areas also is there. In Egypt, these are some very well developed areas also is there. So this is the main important part of this session, and one is regions with heavy rainfall and equatorial area. What your understanding equatorial area? So the area between the north latitude, that is the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This middle area is called the equatorial area. Once again listen, I repeated the same points. See here, tropical, it is also called the tropical zone. Very clear understanding of these areas receiving that the sun rays falls vertically on these areas. That means receiving the more temperature. Understanding? So because of here rainfall phenomenon in the year, that means continuous, and here the forest having the green leaves, that because of evergreen forest also located here. The one is the another important here, one of the important, most important, very difficult bit. Now it is very famous bit. What is that? Congo River. Importance of the Congo River. It is crossed 2 times the equator, but no river in the world. And which river crossed 2 times equator? Congo River. And where it is? Congo. It is located in the Congo, the country. Okay. And river basin. This is the Congo River Basin. Very important river basin. Okay. So next here that we are getting the good information from the Africa continent. That next one is the Nigeria. Nigeria is the one of the most important country. But so many countries. Angola also is there. Egypt also is there. Algeria also is there. Libya also is there. Morocco also is there. And Somalia, Ethiopia, Sudan, South Sudan, and a number of nearly 53 countries are located. 53 countries are in the recently that 2012 the South Sudan had divided from the Sudan. Because of it is the biggest country in the Africa continent. The southern people fight against to the North Sudan. So they are separated. How they are separated? Like Telangana people, how they are separated from the Andhra people. Actually Andhra people and they spoke very well Telugu only. Okay. So this is the next. See once again see, and what is the sea here located? North of the Africa continent, Mediterranean Sea. And the next one is this is the Red Sea and Gulf of Eden. And this is the Indian Ocean, and this is the Madagascar island. Here Mozambique channel between the and Madagascar island and Africa continent. Okay. See here, this is the another name. What is a dark continent it has, and this is the Mozambique channel. Okay, this is the very important Mozambique channel. So this is the very important, and the next and the Red Sea, and this is the northern part of the Red Sea. What is the Arabia is also located. So no need this, and this is and Gulf of Aden and Red Sea, and next this is the Nigeria. Okay, so these are the importance of the this session, and so I hope you are learning and you are getting the good knowledge from this session. Okay, next once again, and a temperature zone. Okay, see, and next one of the important here. So I want to give the more information of that Atlas book. Okay, so this is the every student should get the Atlas book from the school. Okay, so this is the Atlas book, is a collection of maps, and it is given the good information about the 7 continents and India also. See here, and Africa continent here. See here. Look at this. And next here, this is the physical map of the Africa continent. Okay, so here the Africa political map. So next class we are going to see the what is the importance of countries, what is the people's position in this place. We are going to discuss in the next class. This is the political map of the Africa continent. See here, so many, and here given the good information. And next one is the savannas. Here savanna grasslands, and given here, and which is located here, savanna grasslands. Okay, see here, and altitude. So Atlas mountains. So here located the Atlas mountains is on the north of the Africa continent. Okay, children. So next, this is the a small information about the Africa continent. And next, and when you are reading the textbook, you should read with the help of the Atlas textbook. And when you are writing the running notes, what I am writing on the board, you should note down in the running notes and submit to me. Okay. So next, here write, every student should maintain the good handwriting. Handwriting is very important. So next, Atlas book, every student should follow the end of these studies also. So it is very given the good information about the countries, continents and oceans. So next one, textbook reading, how to read the textbook reading. And take one page and read textbook and underline the main important points with the help of the pencil. Okay. So next, worksheet also fill with the help of the textbook. So next, follow the Atlas book. So this is the information about this session about the Africa continent. Now I have a few questions from this topic, and see here, and which area receiving the more rainfall. So equatorial area. Okay. See next, and how many latitudes, important latitudes. Here the main important latitudes are the Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn. These 3 pass on the middle of the Africa continent. You can find if any continent or if any these 3 are passed any continent or not. And this is the find out, and you can try to find out. And here when you are reading the textbook and observe the map reading. Map reading is every day you should touch with the map pointing. So then you will get the good information. See here. So what is the lake name? Which lake is located here? Tell me, give the answer. Lake Victoria. What is the lake? Here, Lake Victoria. Okay. So here, and which desert is located here? Kalahari Desert. So, and we will continue and next class. Thank you.